amazing students. I'm super excited. So let's get started. Oh yeah! Then we're gonna learn how to do lock extensions, and then we're gonna go into some business Q&A, and then we're gonna do some social media. Because I love social media. That's the whole point of everything, right? Right? And then we'll be done. Where did your interlocking stop?
Right here.
Okay, so let's try in the future. Hey everyone, we are booked and busy here in LA. I'm getting into this shampoo service with one of my clients. So stay tuned because we have a lot going on. Hey everyone, I'm about to start my first comb retwist. I'm really excited because my client's hair has grown out of his extensions. We've cut his extensions off on my last visit. So let's get started on his retwist and let's see how this magic comes together.